Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Spotlight podcast. I am Kashish and today we have Dr. Vaishnavi, a dental intern. Hello, welcome Dr. Vaishnavi.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about what it's being like a dental intern, like the behind the scenes of being a dental intern.
So Vaishnavi, tell me, what's the best part being a dental intern?
It's like learning something new every day. It's like kuch to alag by doing the content creating and like everything mugging up. We are doing it like that, and I'm treating real cases. Like it feels very exciting. Hi guys, this is Vaishnavi. I'm a dental intern, and today I'm here at Dental Spotlight, and I'm podcasting with the best Kashish Arora.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So, Kashish, how do you juggle being a final year BDS student and running an AI powered app?
So to be honest, it's very hectic, बहुत hectic है. But when you wanna do something, you are passionate about, मेरे को भी BDS में आके पता लगा कि that's really what I wanna do with my life. So it's hectic, but it's what I really wanna do. So सब कुछ मैंने तो आता है, बस इच्छा होनी चाहिए करने की.
Yeah.
Okay, Vaishnavi. So what's the hardest part about being a dental intern?
It's, of course, definitely managing the times and dealing with the everything pressure and all, and dealing with the clinical practice. And also, we have to balance studying, treating patients, and also balancing seminars. Oh, it's the hardest part. Oh. So, how important have your friends been surviving BDS?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरी जो फ्रेंडशिप है डेंटिस्ट्री में आने के बाद इट्स बीन अ रोलर कोस्टर बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में वही होता है सबके इतने इतने फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वी हैव अ बिग ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स राइट बट देन एज वी गो थ्रू द ईयर वी नो द रियल पीपल द रियल फेसेस ऑफ पीपल सो मतलब देर आर टू फ्रेंड्स इन माई कॉलेज लाइफ जो जिनके लिए आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दे सपोर्ट मी इन एवरीथिंग बट मोस्ट ऑफ द most of the friends turned out to be toxic and jealous, of course. Right. So, but the real friends, they really support me, and I'm really grateful for them. Thank you, guys. I love you. So, Vaishnavi, what's the biggest challenge as a dentist face when adopting a new tech?
Adopting a new tech.
Yes.
It's like it's something learning new, and of course you would not be shy like senior से या फिर staff से पूछने के लिए या फिर अपने friends से पूछने के लिए. You should not be shy, and by balancing everything, it's we are learning everything new.
Okay.
What's one piece of advice or support from your parents that has stayed with you throughout your dental school or content journeys?
So my parents are really supportive. First of all, I'm really grateful for that. And as they are always been my backbone. And one thing my mother taught me that whatever you do in your life, कुछ भी करो, do whatever you want to life. बस कभी तुम्हारे मन में ये चीज ना आए कि शायद ये गलत तो नहीं है. कोई भी अगर डबल थॉट आए ना, then stop at that moment and think about it. Then take the next step. So yeah, that's the one advice I'll give to every student out there. कि whatever you do, you should have a feeling कि हाँ this is the right thing. You should never have double thoughts about that thing. So yeah, that's what my mother always taught.
Right.
Vaishnavi, what advice would you give to someone who is about to start their internship like me? I am about to start my internship, so give me advice that can really help me in my internship.
It's like be patient, stay curious, of course, and don't be afraid to ask questions to anyone. And mistakes happen, but of course, they make us learn. So don't be hesitant to ask questions because learning is never ending, of course.
Oh.
Yeah. So, can you tell me about what app you are launching about?
So it's called Revisable AI.
Okay.
It's a revision platform. It's an AI powered platform, revision app. So we basically have flashcards, which is based on space repetition algorithm. We are here for NEET UG, NEET PG, USMLE, PLAB, AMC, and now we are also incorporating NEET MDS. So that's a very big step we are taking further.
Okay.
And it's a revision app. We have flashcards, which is based on space repetition algorithm. We have MCQs based on specifically dental and medical questions. We have also have PYQs, and the best thing about to solve MCQ on our app is that our AI gives you a proper test analysis,
Okay.
which highlights your weak areas and tells you exactly where to focus and what to read next to revise it. So yeah, that's the main features for our app, and we are trying our best to scale it up as much as we can.
Yeah, that's a great move, Kashish. Of course.
Thank you. That's it for the dental spotlight, guys. See you in the next year. Peace out.
See you guys in the next year. Bye bye.